Most people want their name on the deed, but the wealthy want their name nowhere near it. Owning an asset directly is a massive liability because one lawsuit can instantly wipe out your entire life work. So here's where it usually goes wrong for the average investor. They put their house, their car, and their business in one big bucket. If the business gets sued, every other asset is up for grabs. Rich families use an operating company to handle the risk and a holding company to sit safely behind a legal firewall. But shielding the asset is only half the battle. Tax efficiency. Now, this is the part no one talks about. Direct owners pay the highest tax rates on every dollar before they can even think about reinvesting. By adding a management company to the mix, families can move income through deductible service fees. This lowers the taxable bucket while keeping the cash flow inside the family ecosystem. Privacy, however, is the real ultimate flex. So, anonymous control. This is how you stay invincible while staying in charge. When you search the public records for a high-end estate, you won't see a family name. You will see an LLC owned by a trust. This layering makes you a hard target because if a predator can't find what you own, they won't bother trying to take it. Wealth isn't about your name on a trophy. It's about control without exposure. So rethink how you own your future.